Good evening. So a little update for the situation of us. We are still having coughs and colds, but we are using natural means to relieve our negative feelings. So here I'll be getting some lemons. These are native here. We call it Calamansi or Lemonsito. So this is good size already. So here I'll get one. You can actually buy, but it's a good thing to have plants like this, so it minimizes our costs or expenses when going to the market and buying more of this. So here, this is so natural. We cultivated this already. So we have lots here. So the purpose is for us to put this in our orange juice. So we just bought orange juice from the store earlier, but I need to make it more nutritious. So I'm going to get from here, or I'm going to set that aside. Okay, so just this one. This one is bigger as compared to that other one there. So I'll get 4 of this. So if I get too much, it's too sour for our taste. Okay, here we go. So thank you, Lord, for this yield. We ask for more. But of course, to be immune to different diseases, so just a little maneuver here. Wow, these are the tomatoes. We have some more there. They are growing fast. See? And hello, strawberries. Please have some fruit soon. We love you, strawberries. Okay, strawberries and some lettuce. Let's try there. Okay, I'm going down. Bye bye. Wow, nice. Fat aloes. Call this sabila. Okay, let's go down. My baby's waiting. We are back. Ta-da!